Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how I built wooden crates out of free scrap lumber from our local hardware store. I start by measuring and cutting the pieces where the handles would usually go. I'm now measuring and marking the opening of the handle. I'm drilling holes so I can insert my jigsaw to cut out the handle. You should sand down the edges so the handle isn't sharp. I'm using my table saw to reduce the width of the lumber because it's too wide. Now I'm cutting these strips to size. I'm using wood glue and a brad nailer to attach the strips to the pieces I used to carve out the handles. I'm sanding down the crate. I decided to stain the piece to give it a nice finish. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.